Welcome to Jogo Coaching. You are going to learn about what is definition of done, why do we need definition of done, types and the benefits of DoD along with an example in this short video. The short form of definition of done is DoD. Let us see what is DoD. Definition of done is the list of activities that needs to be completed by the development team so that the product will meet the customer needs. For the easy understanding, consider DoD as a checklist that will contain the tasks that should be completed by the development team. DoD is a common understanding document between the product owner and development team. DoD will also help the team to ensure the quality of the product in the agile teams. Now we can see the benefits of DoD and what is the need for DoD in agile teams. Sometimes the team members forget to plan the efforts needed for the reviews, documentations, etc. DoD helps the Scrum team to identify all the tasks needed to complete the project successfully. Definition of done helps the team to avoid or reduce the defects in the product and concern from the product owner. As the team maintains all the tasks needed in the checklist format, the chances of missing any important activities will be minimized. This will help to improve the quality of the product. DoD is useful to enable better alignment and the agreement between the product owner and the development team on the acceptance criteria of the sprint goal. DoD will also help the development team to follow the common practices such as peer review, documentation, etc. during the product development phase. Now we are clear about the benefits of DoD, and let's see the types of DoD used in the agile teams. DoDs are used in three levels in the agile teams. The first one is at user story or feature level. The second one is at sprint level, and the third one is at release level. I will provide some examples for these three levels and explain the scope as well in the coming slides. The first level DoD is defined for a feature or user story. This is most basic level and code quality will be the primary focus of this level. User stories will follow the DoD to confirm the completion of the development work. Done at this level means the product owner reviewed and accepted the user story. Example of DoD at feature or user story level is available in this table. Since this level focuses more on the development activities, most of the DoD items will be related to development, testing, and review. Team will check each of these items to complete the user story or feature. Some examples are unit test passed, peer code review is completed, refactoring is completed, acceptance criteria is met, functional test case pass, all the defects were fixed, code is deployed to test environment, non-functional requirements met, product owner accept the user story. These are all the examples of DoD at the feature or user story level. The second level DoD is at sprint level. This DoD scope is to check all the user stories implemented in a sprint in such a way that they fulfill all the product requirements. Product owner will verify the DoD checklist and accept the user stories at the sprint level. Example for DoD checklist at sprint level is available in this table. The checklist items are DoD of all the user stories met, code is deployed to integrated environment, user stories and features pass the regression testing, user stories features pass the smoke testing, product backlog updated and checked, All the major bugs are fixed. Documentation for build change and configuration is completed. Automated regression test pass. So these are all the items will be checked as part of DoD validation at sprint level. The third level of definition of done is at the release level. This is the final stage of DoD for the product release. This check will be specific to a release readiness. DoD will be checked based on the portfolio plan and market needs as well. Example of DoD checklist at release level is available in this table. Some of the checklist items are: end-to-end integration is completed, compliance requirements met, end user documentation is completed, release notes is available for production deployment, promoted to production deployment, performance test passed in the product, smoke testing is completed and it's green in production, marketing communication of the changes are documented, release meets all the market expectations. These are all the few sample DoD checklist item at the release level. In summary, DoD is a list of activities and a checklist used by the Agile team. DoD will help for better resource planning and reduce the defects in the product. 3 levels of DoD is used by the team at user story or feature level, at sprint level and release level. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Thank you.